In this video we will learn 45 crawling animal English names. Snake. Snake. The snake is crawling on the ground. Millipede. Millipede. A millipede has many legs. Ant. Ant. The ant is carrying food. Centipede. Centipede. A centipede moves very fast. Earthworm. Earthworm. An earthworm lives in the soil. Crab. Crab. The crab walks sideways. Snail. Snail. The snail moves very slowly. Termite. Termite. Termites can damage wood. Spider. Spider. The spider makes a web. Beetle. Beetle. A beetle has a hard shell. Scorpion. Scorpion. A scorpion has a poisonous tail. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. The caterpillar eats green leaves. Cockroach. Cockroach. A cockroach lives in dark places. Slug. Slug. A slug has no shell. Crocodile. Crocodile. The crocodile lives near rivers. Turtle. Turtle. A turtle has a hard shell. Monitor lizard. Monitor lizard. The monitor lizard is very large. Leech. Leech. A leech lives in water. Grub. Grub. A grub is the larva of an insect. Chameleon. Chameleon. A chameleon can change its color. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. The grasshopper can jump high. Frog. Frog. A frog lives in water and on land. Gecko. Gecko. A gecko can climb walls. Hermit crab. Hermit crab. A hermit crab lives in an empty shell. Lizard. Lizard. The lizard is resting on a rock. Iguana. Iguana. An iguana eats plants. Skink. Skink. A skink has smooth skin. Python. Python. A python is a large snake. Salamander. Salamander. A salamander likes wet places. Thanks for watching.